Why AI? Why AI? Why AI? Because you need to ask yourself, why AI? Why? Now, AI is on autopilot. That's number one. AI is on autopilot. Do you see this thing trade now? I cannot this this account can stay like this for 1 year, 10 years, 2 years. If it's still trade, as long as trade is going on, it's on autopilot. I don't need to do it myself. I don't need to touch anything. Okay, why AI? Number one is that it's on autopilot. Okay. Number two is that is trading on a notable broker, Litefinance, which is a global broker known just the way Litefinance is, Deriv, XNext, Hot Forex. These are global platforms. Okay, these are global platforms. These are global platforms. So a broker. I'm doing this business on a broker, not on a website, not on a IPC. All those businesses we did in the past. What's the name? IPC, Crowd One. What's the even AP? What's the? There's one day we did. I have over 12,000. I have over $12,000 there. AS, even AS that I thought, but I knew that I was taking high risk because my money would be in their website. Let me tell you, I can't even try that again. God forbid. Here we don't tolerate that. We don't try it. We don't do any business where our money will be on a website or the company will be with our money. We don't do that. Except we want to throw it away. So we don't do that. But doesn't mean we don't lose money. No, we are losing now because we are traders. But we don't want to be scammed. There's a difference between being scammed and losing. You can lose money. If you're a trader, you know that sometimes you lose. But that does not mean that you will be scammed. Because if you put money on a Ponzi scheme, that is scamming. But if your money is on your broker and you are in charge, you can only lose money when the market is against you. It is not bad. It's not. You cannot stop it. You cannot stop it. You cannot come and say you can't lose money again, but you are a trader. It's not possible. Don't be deceived. So, but we are happy that our money is on a broker where we are in charge. I don't need to take permission from the AI or the broker before I can take my money. Are you getting the point? Okay. Number three is that, AI can pay you when you are sleeping. Is a major point. I want to use this and explain something. That's the difference between the rich and the poor. It's called system money. When you're sleeping, when you're busy in church, when you are busy in with other things you're doing, some of you who are career corporate men and women, you know that most times you are busy at work. It's not that you don't want to trade, you don't want to do all these manual things, but of course you have what you're doing. You have a job, you have a boss that is monitoring you. You have a so that is me. I do politics, I do real estate, but it gives me joy. Like yesterday, some of you discovered that you didn't see me much 2 days ago. I think 2 days ago. I was online yesterday. 2 days ago, I was not online much because I was busy in town with issue I was handling. But the AI was working. So AI doesn't get tired. It has no emotions. Okay, that's another reason we are doing this system trading, AI trading. Sometimes you can break down the difference between the rich and the poor. Is that rich men can sleep making money, but a poor man must go out first to a shop to do something before money will come. A poor man's source of income is mostly active in nature, active. So if he's sick, there is trouble. And again, I always tell you, you will know the difference between you and a poor man when you are sick. Yes, one day I went to the hospital to do checkups. My friend is a medical doctor. I went, I said, check up. I just say, let me rest. And I was asking myself, nobody asked of me. Even some people, I wanted them to ask of me, you don't discover that people are busy facing their own challenges. Now, if you're sick now, and for you to make money, you must be actively involved. What happens when you're sick? My brothers and sisters, One of the major reasons I am doing AI trading is that AI can work for me even if I'm sleeping, even if I'm sick. I don't want to be sick, but I have to be wise. Are you getting me? Okay. Number four is that this AI gives me opportunity to make what we call passive income. Passive income. Money I'm making through marketing. There are some of them. Marketing is one of them. Marketing. I was in Mauritius and I saw a guy they announced in a program. I was one of those top traders in Africa that the RIF sponsored to Mauritius. So I was there. I saw a guy who was making over $50,000 weekly from just marketing. That is, remember, this marketing I'm talking about is not what you have done, you are doing today. What you did yesterday, paying you today. When marketing starts paying you passive income, it's no longer what you are doing today, it's what you have done yesterday. That is the difference between the poor and the rich. Until a system is paying you passive income, you cannot say that if 100% of your sources, your income will always come from your passive efforts. Active effort, active. You must be there. You must look at signal. What if you are sleeping? Can you look at signal? You must look at signal on your phone. Put data. Look the signal. Say, okay, that sell or buy, sell or buy. All those things are good, but don't rely on that. I always tell you, I don't measure my success online by my manual trading. That's why some of you know I don't talk about manual trading much. You know why? I'm no longer a baby in this industry. I'm an elder. You know, they have elders in the ministry. So I am an elder in this industry. I cannot come and say my source of income. I am talking about my trading result as for manual. No. What I should be talking about is the money I am making when I'm sleeping. That is the real wealth. The real wealth is not that money I am making through news. Oh, news. Oh, I cashed out $10,000 today, $5,000 because I entered a trade. Remember, that thing you did was a product of emotion. So effort, personal effort, active income, active. If you didn't enter that signal, you wouldn't have made the money. No. I can't depend on that. It's dangerous. It's dangerous. It's dangerous. AI is the I'm not, these are things we do manual trading, but I don't boast, I don't talk about that much because I know I cannot secure my financial future by going online to trade. What of the day you wake up and you are not in a position to go online to trade? Does it mean you will not make money that day? But if you are a marketer, the Bible says, he that winneth souls is wise. Do you know how Litefinance rewards us? This AI, any money this AI makes, for anybody you referred, people cannot join a broker without a link or referral link. If people are using your link that's why I like Litefinance. I like Litefinance. Other brokers will not allow you to do that. They will not give, they only give you rebate commission, sharing pro rebate commission. At Forex, I was invited to talk about Forex. And when the man finished talking, I loved him, but I had to, when I advised him, the man said, my advice came when I was talking, now trust me, when I was talking, I kept talking what I was talking. The man later met me and said, wow, you just opened my eyes. When the man was talking, he was mentioning chat. All my children, I'm teaching them how to look at chat. That's the way the poor people think. That's where the poor people think. You want to look every day. You cannot trade without chats. Okay, so you are now smarter than artificial intelligence. You are now smarter than innovations all over the world. Do you know that chart you are looking at, AI is also looking at, and AI will get more result than you because you are a human being. AI is a technology that it's just like, but somebody will say, but human being developed AI. Yes, human beings developed aeroplane. Are you going to fly more than aeroplane? But you developed it. But will you fly? Or you fly with aeroplane? Just get your own wings because you developed aeroplane and fly. Let's see. So, guys, we are in AI era.